Camphor oil is an antibacterial and pain-relieving oil with soothing and anti-inflammatory properties. It can help relieve dandruff and flaky scalp, as well as itching and irritation. Camphor is also used in Ayurveda as an antifungal remedy, as it prevents Malassezia yeast proliferation on the scalp, making it suitable for treating dandruff and flakiness. Aloe vera oil effectively treats dandruff-induced flaky scalp by reducing yeast multiplication, excess sebum, and maintaining oil balance, while also preventing flakes and itchiness due to its anti-inflammatory properties. Cardamom oil, rich in minerals and antioxidants, effectively treats dandruff issues by cleansing the scalp and preventing its reappearance. It nourishes the scalp, making it ideal for preventing dandruff recurrence and effectively treating all hair issues.
Bajwain, a nutrient-rich plant, strengthens the scalp, particularly hair roots, and has medicinal properties that promote hair growth, prevent hair fall, nourish the scalp, and prevent dandruff. Its essential oil, rich in p-cymane, fights bacteria and microorganisms, strengthening hair cuticles.
Anise oil effectively treats dandruff, scalp infections, scabies, flakes, and lice infestations by moisturizing the scalp and utilizing its antibacterial properties. Cinnamon's natural antioxidants, polyphenols, and eugenol can help treat scalp infections, eliminate Malassezia, reduce dandruff, and soothe itchy scalp symptoms, making it an effective treatment option. Dandruff is a scalp disorder caused by excessive shedding of dead skin flakes. Natural oils like avocado can help in both dry and oily skin conditions. Regular massages with avocado oil can improve or prevent itchy scalp. Combining essential oils with castor oil can also help with hair growth and dandruff control. Apple topical application effectively addresses dandruff by hydrating the scalp, preventing its growth, and adding shine to hair. Black seed oil is a natural remedy for dandruff, promoting itching relief, reducing flakiness, strengthening roots, and improving scalp and hair appearance and feel when applied daily. Carrot oil, with its antibacterial properties, can protect against various bacteria and fungus, such as those causing dandruff. It stimulates the production of sebum, making it an excellent treatment for dry hair. Dandruff is a common issue, and coriander leaves and oil can help eliminate it due to their natural antifungal properties. Coriander oil soothes the scalp and discourages fungi growth, making it an effective and natural solution for maintaining a healthy scalp. Amla's antibacterial and antifungal properties effectively prevent dandruff-causing fungus growth, and soothe the scalp by preventing itching and flaking. Chamomile oil effectively treats dandruff due to its strong antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties. It kills germs, prevents scalp infections, soothes dry scalps, maintains hydration, and reduces inflammation. Chamomile also prevents greasy flakes from overwashing or excessive chemical use in shampoo or conditioner. Citronella essential oil, with its antifungal and antibacterial properties, can effectively treat dandruff by reducing scalp itchiness and inflammation, and inhibiting the growth of fungus that causes dandruff. To use, massage the scalp with a mixture of citronella essential oil and carrier oil. Applying almond oil to the scalp can reduce inflammation and soothe skin, especially for itchy, red scalps or dandruff. Its antioxidants prevent scalp bacteria and fungi from entering, preventing excessive oil buildup. Dandruff, caused by dry, oily, unwashed, sweaty, or polluted scalps, can be effectively treated with black pepper, a rich source of vitamin C. Mix crushed pepper with curd, apply to scalp, leave for 30 minutes, wash off, and shampoo the next day. Cod liver oil effectively removes dandruff from hair by regulating oil production on the scalp. It is enriched with antibacterial and antifungal agents, and contains omega-3 fatty acids, which soothe and moisturize a dry, irritated scalp, preventing flakiness and reducing itchy scalp. Carrots and carrot seed oil have anti-inflammatory and antifungal properties, helping control dandruff symptoms. Carrots also regulate oil production, further treating the scalp fungus Malassezia globosa. Coconut oil is a natural remedy for dry scalp and dandruff, with antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant properties. It helps combat dandruff by boosting skin's good bacteria, taming inflammation, and fighting dermatitis. It also improves scalp health by restoring moisture and microbiome balance, leading to increased good bacteria and biotin, reducing inflammation, improving skin barrier quality.